Guns N' Roses, that's cool. Nirvana.
Yep.
Oh man.
45 on them.
Yep. That's cool. I like these. These old. They're just a cool display piece. Poison, Aerosmith, Bon Jovi. How much are the cassette tapes?
I'm sorry.
How much are the cassette tapes?
50 cents.
50 cents?
Yeah. There's some crazy names in there.
Yeah, yeah. Is the price you just want for the whole bag? 10 for the whole bag?
Oh, there you go.
There we go.
You can't use that out here. We already have one guy get arrested while ago.
Get out.
Are you serious? Oh man, you never know around here. You know what I mean? Like,
you do not know. That is exactly right.
oh my gosh, that's funny.
That thing is in great shape.
Yeah. I don't think I could ever.
100 years old.
Yeah. It's pretty crappy though. You know.
There's all kinds of jokes on it.
I know.
This guy came walking by a while ago. That guy had another one. It was sitting up there.
Uh-huh.
Man, I think I just saw one of those up there. How many of these could be around?
That's funny.
What's crazy people?
Oh yeah, that's like
that.
Guns N' Roses.
Gosh,
That's
man.
cool. Nirvana.
Yep.
Oh man. Guns N' Roses. Appetite for Destruction.
Ah.
Poison. Foreigner. Yeah, I'll take it.
Okay.
That's cool. Wham, like blast from the past, man.
Oh, I know it, man. Just so much stuff.
Yeah, Duran.
And she says she ain't listened to most of it. But well, I got it.
Oh, really? Can I have the bag with it?
Yes.
All right.
Oh, yeah, without a doubt.
Perfect.
Please take it.
I came to the flea market and I left my bag at home, so
Yeah.
this is the Poison. That's cool. Yeah, I'll give you the $10. Ma'am, how much are your comic books?
200 for everything.
Oh, these just sounds a lot. You're not selling individually?
Well, what do you want individually?
I was asking about the William Mays and then the Spawn.
Yeah, the two best ones there.
There's some autograph stuff in there too. So
50 and 15.
15, okay. They were asking right around retail for these books, so I decided to pass on them. That's cool.
How much are the napkins?
How much you have on the Ralphie?
So that's brand new, just so you know.
Oh, it's brand new?
You know what I mean? Yeah, they retail at $99,
Uh-huh.
and I want $40 for it.
40 bucks.
It's never been displayed, and you'll see that. And I would recommend if you do buy it, use it only indoors as soon as weather gets it.
Yeah.
That's why.
Is it indoor only?
Well, no.
Oh no, outdoor and
The
indoor.
rain is gonna mess with that fabric.
Yeah. That's a cool piece.
It is cool, and the price is certainly right.
Yeah,
Local at $99 at Christmas time.
Yeah. With Christmas being right around the corner, this Ralphie piece would have been great from the Christmas story. Unfortunately, at $40, it wasn't a lot of room for profit. They were selling them new on eBay for about $60, $65.
Brand new unopened sound bar with the face piece. Right now it's $129 on Amazon. I'm asking $80.
Yeah.
The kid just didn't. He already had one. I didn't know that. Look, Christmas wrapping is still on.
Yeah, I gotcha.
Well, this is the one I really wanted to keep.
Little singer. What is this? Oh, wild turkey.
Thank you.
It's a Heartland figure.
Buy as cheap as I can. And I'm retired. I've been retired. I started research.
That's a cool stand. Looks like a bunch of repos though. Reproductions.
So he knows already. You got him trained. Stop. You're a good man. 45 on him.
Yeah, it's a cool piece.
And then I got
Bigfoot.
the bang too there, the other one.
Yeah.
Push lever. 45 in either one.
I like the Michelin Man. Like on the motorcycle's cool.
50 on him out there.
This whole tote was filled with video game action figures from Sega, from Sonic, from Mega Man to Super Mario Brothers. There was a ton of figures in here, and I was hoping to get a good deal on all of them.
All right,
Look at all the freaking, all the plushies, man. Sir, how much are the toys and stuff?
I mean, they're all different prices. I mean, just get a little pile would probably be better instead of me charging you per toy.
Okay.
Yeah,
What,
we've done sold a bunch of them.
yeah. What,
Like that right there, I'll probably do like $10.
okay, so just make a big pile. Yeah, if you get a bag, I can just put them on the bag. That'd be great. And then that way you can just let me know. Cool. Alright, so Sonic, Luigi, Mario, Luigi, Mario, Mega Man. I had no idea how rare these Sega figures were until I got home. Apparently, a lot of these were Toys R Us exclusives, and that's why they bring real big money. So if you guys do see them out and about, pick them up. Donkey Kong 2009. Sega. Sonic figure. This mouse is cool. Star Fox. It's all Nintendo pieces. Metroid. More Marios. Let's see here, plushies. Tags ripped off with Mario. Tails. What else we got?
Those are yours?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we're getting 10 on these.
Oh, you're gonna tell? Okay, I'll put this back. I wasn't sure on price on those.
No, I'm in on this one, yeah.
Oh, on that one there? Okay. There's the bag of toys. Mine.
Just give me $40, take it on. And them too.
So you want 10 on these?
Yeah, I was trying to get 10 on
Okay.
that. We done sold a couple of them.
I gotcha, okay.
And then 30 on all that would be, I mean, that's good.
Okay. I'll probably put that one back, but it'd be 30. It's 30 on the rest of that then?
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I'll do that. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it, man.
I usually get $5 on them Ford wrenches, okay?
You know the later is it?
I had a guy,
I won't lose that one.
first Monday we were open here, I had a whole bunch of them Ford wrenches.
Sir, what do you have on this?
I want 20 for that.
What's the background to it, do you know?
Huh?
You know, what is the background behind it?
Background.
Like how old it is?
I would say 60s. It's made out of the same thing as the pipes.
Yeah.
I forget what they call it. It's not resin.
It's not celluloid. There's another name for that plastic.
Yeah. It's a cool piece. Very, very unique. I was on the fence about buying this for 20 bucks. I should have just picked it up. I thought to myself, I'd just come back and buy it later on. And you know how that goes at the flea market. You get sidetracked, you forget, and then you end up passing and forgetting about it and leaving.
80. Above that.
Leo! What's up, buddy? I haven't been back in a while because of the, you know, after the hurricanes and stuff like that. So
I was just watching one of your videos right now. I can't get to watch it because people keep coming up.
Oh. Got anything new in?
Just mainly some video game stuff.
Video game
all I
stuff?
got. Everything else is pretty much a couple new things over there, whatnot. This I don't know if you'd be interested in these though, but this mask, the only one else I could find, one sold on eBay for like $1,400, and it wasn't even the best shape as this. They're pretty light, easy to mail.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is another good one too.
Stuck on something?
Yeah, they're being cut.
Do they have any markings on them or anything?
Not that I could find, or even
Gotcha.
was looking. I don't.
Where the heck did you find those?
I found these at another flea market. Yeah, and this one right here, it goes for about a couple $100. This one right here is the one though, because this one there was one that wasn't even this good a shape, and it sold for $1,400.
Gotcha.
So it's really freaking me out.
Yeah.
One of those real hair.
Not something I'd be interested in though, but I appreciate it.
You gotta ask yourself, is something wrong with me then?
I love the Spuds McKenzie.
That's my dog breed.
That's your dog breed? What a cool mascot.
I had one that looked just like
Really?
Spuds, and that was my Nellie, and I just lost my third.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Oh, God. I normally, if they don't sell here, I donate everything to the rescue.
Oh, okay.
But I was asking, I was asking 20, but I would do a little less.
Gotcha.
And he's 5. Actually, these online have gotten really popular.
Yeah, Spuds McKenzie's an icon.
Well, and I didn't have a bull terrier then, but my first bull terrier came from the same kennel as Spuds.
How you guys doing?
Good, good sir.
Man, it's a giant raised display. Where did that come from?
From the stadium.
Yeah, I figured. It's a cool piece.
Yeah, thanks.
What the heck? How much you have on that?
$5.
$5. Oh my gosh. Kiss. These are cool. This Kiss teddy bears are cool. Wow, is this mostly all Kiss? That's quite the Kiss collection, man.
Yeah. You should have seen it this morning.
Oh yeah, you sold a bunch off?
Yep.
Wow, that's awesome. Kiss Demon. Yeah. Wait, is that a Nintendo? That's a Nintendo Wii.
Yes, it is, sir.
I've never seen that before. Oh, that's cool.
I never played with it. I bought it,
Uh-huh.
took it out of the box. My dad made the frame.
Yeah.
I wanted to put a picture in there, and then I bought the controller for the Wii.
Yeah.
That goes in
Yeah.
there. Never played it.
Huh, what are you asking for that?
I got $1.25 for it.
$1.25.
But look it up in line. It's like, are you kidding?
And so, go there, start playing the drums, and start playing it, and see what's happening.
How much you have on Clue?
I don't know what's in there, man. I don't know if it's missing stuff.
Oh yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, it's missing the. I think it's missing.
It's a buck if you want it.
Oh wait a minute, the cards are there. What is this? Hey, I don't know. Pieces may all be there. I don't know.
That's what I was saying. It's well then.
I don't know if the pieces. I don't want to tell you they're all now there, but it looks like they're all missing there, right? Because of this thing.
Yeah.
But I mean, I see playing
said
cards.
everything was in here.
I see these.
$3 then, if that's more fair, because I was going to say 5
Yeah, no.
if you want it.
Yeah, I'll buy it from you. I just don't want to tell you they're missing pieces. And
Well,
I
they
think-
said everything was in there.
Yeah.
I took their word for it.
Yeah, but I see like the slips underneath. That's in here. And
I
maybe
just don't understand what all that was.
I don't know either. That's what I'm trying to see. I don't see a picture of that.
Maybe they used the cards in there or somehow. I don't know.
Maybe. Here,
Thanks.
take your 5. Get your money back.
Keep it?
Yeah, keep it.
Thanks.
That's what you paid for, right?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna get your money back on it. I don't. I would have to go back and look through it, but it's a cool piece. I mean, so I could part it out and use that, sell the pieces off and stuff like that.
Clue and Zelda, so
Yeah.
I bought it.
I like crossover stuff like that.
Video game stuff at.
I had no idea those Sega figures were worth that much money. I thought maybe like $10 a figure, so I was making a giant lot. I was hoping to get like $100 off that lot of figures, and I'm going to make so much more money off that. So I really had no idea. Being on the lookout for them. Apparently they were Toys R Us exclusives back in the early 2000s, and they can bring a ton of money. When you guys are out and about, a general rule of thumb always is, if you see anything video game related, Nintendo, Sega, pick it up if it's something off the wall. Just like that Clue game for Zelda, even though it's incomplete, I'll still get anywhere from like 30 to 40 bucks for it. So I appreciate all the feedback from last week with Mrs. Punchin and our video that we did together. And just so you guys know, Mrs. Punchin will be back again in the future here. We still have video footage left over from that Dave hitting up all the sales, so she'll be in another video here in the future. But I did tell her all the feedback that you guys left, and she said she'll come and do some more yard sales here in the future. So. And I want to give a big thank you to each and every one of you guys. Today, right before filming this video, we just hit 20,000 subs on YouTube. I could not do this without each and every one of you guys. And I appreciate all the support, all the likes, all the shares, and for you guys to keep coming back week after week supporting this channel. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. It really does mean the world to me. Never in my wildest dreams ever thought that this channel would hit 20,000 subs. So thank you guys. I will be live tonight on Whatnot, and I will be doing some Whatnots here in the near future. If you guys like Disney pins, I'll do a sports car show on Monday night with Carrie from American Arbitrage. So check it out. I'll put a link down in the description down below. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.